All right, I've hinted at these a little bit, but now for the formal recognition of them, product and period cost. So the generally capitalization versus expensing. You can think of it, this is how I describe it in FAR, and it does apply to this exam as well a bunch. There's a couple different topics where it does. You have $100 of cost, and where do you put that? Do you put that on the balance sheet or the income statement? Well, you might think it's a cost, it's an expense, it goes in the income statement. Not all the times, and here's why. If it's a capitalizable cost, meaning it adds to the useful life of an asset, right? Because it is, maybe it's a material, right? If we're building a TV and we buy a bunch of plastic to put TV, well, that goes to the asset of a TV, and that's the process of capitalizing a cost. If it's just a bunch of cleaning supplies to clean the area where the TVs are made, that would be a period cost, and it would get expensed and go on the income statement as cleaning expense, right? Whatever, repair expense, whatever it is. Now, product costs are those directly related to the production of a product or service intended for sale. Period costs are all other indirect costs that are incurred in production. Right? Product costs are capitalized, usually as inventory in the balance sheet. I mean, it's a machine, like we're in cost accounting, so it's inventory, but this could be machines, this could be automobiles, it could be a bunch of different assets. But again, we're in cost accounting, dealing with inventory. Period costs are expensed on the income statement as cost of goods sold, or we're talking, right, other expenses, overhead, sales, and marketing expenses. Product costs could be direct materials because they go directly into a product. Labor, because they go directly into a product. Overhead, such as electricity used to make certain products. There you go. So memorize this, be familiar with it, and you'll do just fine with it. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.